English Grade 3 Lesson 20. Read and learn. Library. What is this? This is a library. What do you do in a library? I read books in a library. What is this? This is a music room. What do you do in a music room? I learn music in the music room. Classroom. What is this? This is a classroom. What do you do in a classroom? I learn in a classroom. Playground. What is this? This is a playground. What do you do in a playground? I play in a playground. Dancing room. What is this? This is a dancing room. What do you do in a dancing room? I practice dance in a dancing room. Meaning. Learn this. Good morning, children. Let's go to the computer lab. Let's see the computer parts. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Learn this. Good morning, children. Let's go to the computer lab. Let's see the computer parts. Monitor, CPU. Morning school assembly. Who participate in the morning school assembly? Principal, teachers, prefect and school children. Morning assembly is on Monday. We hoist the school flag. We read news. In the school, the best eco-friend is Ravi. Why Ravi is awarded this prize? Ravi clean the garden. Ravi water the plants. Ravi pick litter. Ravi remove weeds from the garden. Ravi love nature. Ravi cleans the garden. Ravi waters the plants. Ravi picks litter. Ravi removes weeds from the garden. Ravi loves nature. Ravi cleans the garden. Ravi waters the plants. Ravi picks litter. Ravi removes weeds from the garden. Ravi loves nature. Meaning. Repeating the lesson studied. How old are you? I am 8 years old. How old are you? I am 9 years old. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What grade are you in? I am in grade 2. What grade are you in? I am in grade 3. What grade are you in? I am in grade 4.